In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, where innovations like large language models are reshaping industries overnight, are you truly leveraging the full potential of artificial intelligence to drive your business forward? We're moving beyond the limitations of traditional AI, which has been the standard since the 1980s, towards a groundbreaking new paradigm: agentic AI frameworks that empower autonomous systems. Traditional AI, dominant since the 1980s with rule-based expert systems and narrow machine learning like decision trees, excels at predefined single-task operations such as image classification on datasets like NIST, often achieving high accuracy like 95% on narrow tasks, but struggling elsewhere. However, it's inherently brittle, requiring manual reprogramming for every new scenario, and failing 70 to 80% of the time on edge cases according to industry benchmarks, while completely lacking the ability to generalize to unseen situations. The LLM era, starting post 2022 with models like GPT-3 released in 2020 and GPT-4 in 2023, truly birthed agentic AI through innovative techniques like React introduced in 2022 by Yao et al., where agents iteratively think, act, observe, and refine their actions in a continuous loop. A pivotal milestone came with OpenAI's O1 model launched in September 2024, which incorporates advanced reasoning chains and boosts agent performance by 2 to 5 times on challenging benchmarks like GA, marking a significant leap forward. Agentic AI stands in stark contrast, featuring autonomous agents that can independently plan using hierarchical task decomposition, reason step by step, make decisions, integrate and use tools like APIs or browsers, and adapt fluidly to dynamic, real-world environments. Powerful frameworks such as LangChain, AutoGen, and Crew AI are now orchestrating these sophisticated multi-agent systems, enabling seamless collaboration among agents for tackling complex challenges in development and beyond. LangChain, first launched in October 2022 by Harrison Chase, has skyrocketed to over 100,000 GitHub stars, supports integration with more than 50 LLM providers including OpenAI and Anthropic, and is actively used by over 1 million developers worldwide for building robust agents. AutoGen, developed by Microsoft and released in September 2023 with over 20,000 GitHub stars, excels in multi-agent systems where, for example, 4 agents can debate and refine code reviews, demonstrating 30% faster convergence on collaborative tasks. Crew AI, which launched in 2024 and now boasts 15,000 GitHub stars, specializes in role-based agents such as a researcher combined with a writer, enabling teams to achieve 5 times faster prototyping for tasks like content generation or analysis. These frameworks deliver enhanced autonomy, with agents autonomously completing 60 to 80% of tasks end-to-end without any human intervention, as validated by the rigorous GIA benchmarks from 2024. They excel at handling complex, multi-step tasks and long workflows spanning 10 to 50 steps. For instance, transforming market research from scraping data and analysis to full reports, which typically takes days, but now completes in just hours. Agentic AI also brings significant scalability and efficiency gains, with reports from the LangChain State of AI Agents Report 2024 showing 4 to 10 times productivity boosts and the ability to effortlessly scale operations to hundreds of collaborating agents. Furthermore, it drastically reduces development time, empowering teams to build functional prototypes in mere hours instead of weeks, while requiring up to 70% less code according to Crew AI benchmarks. The narrator returns, confidently emphasizing these transformative benefits while gesturing towards the screen, which displays a clear summary of the key advantages: enhanced autonomy, complex task handling, scalability and efficiency gains, and dramatically reduced development time. Adopting agentic AI today provides your organization with a crucial competitive advantage, positioning you to thrive in today's fast-paced, innovation-driven markets where agility is paramount. According to Gartner's Hype Cycle for 2024, agentic AI is riding at the peak of inflated expectations, and Forrester predicts that by 2028, 33% of all enterprise software will incorporate intelligent agents as standard components. Leading companies are already leading the charge, such as Salesforce with its Agentforce platform launched in 2024 and IBM with Watsonx Orchestrate, both integrating these advanced agentic capabilities into their enterprise solutions. This technology is solving real-world problems that go far beyond simple queries, as exemplified by Devon AI, the engineer agent from Cognition Labs that autonomously codes and deploys full applications from high-level specifications. It's also fundamentally about future-proofing your business against disruption. McKinsey estimates that agentic AI will unlock $4.4 trillion in annual economic value by 2030 through widespread automation across industries. To kickstart your journey into agentic AI, begin with manageable pilot projects, such as developing single-agent proofs of concept focused on high-impact areas like data analysis, delivering quick ROI in weeks. Fully embrace open-source frameworks like LangChain and AutoGen right from the start, capitalizing on their vast communities exceeding 100,000 contributors and completely free access to cutting-edge tools. Prioritize investing in upskilling your team on agentic technologies, as the Stack Overflow 2024 Developer Survey reveals that 80% of developers will require specific training in this area to remain competitive. Crucially, always monitor ethics and safety by implementing robust guardrails like LangGuard, which help mitigate risks such as hallucinations that are now reduced by 50% thanks to advanced models like OpenAI's o1. Agentic AI is far more than just a passing trend. It represents the future of intelligent automation, unlocking unparalleled opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and sustainable growth in your operations. So, embrace agentic AI today to fundamentally transform your business processes and secure a decisive lead in the intensely competitive technological landscape ahead.